Look at the question. It's 50 divided by 5. Find 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 and 5 are multiplied to get 50. 50 divided by 50 will be equal to 1. 1 will be our answer, but it is not correct, so we have to solve it by ring order of operation. So we will solve it 50 as it is, divided by as it is, 5 as it is, multiplied by 5 plus 5 will be equal to 10. Now, in the first case, 5 times 10 will be equal to 50. 50 divided by 50 is equal to 1. 1 will be our answer, but it is not correct because according to any order of operation, either it is dmas or bodmas or PEMDAS, we have to move from left into right, okay? And the division is at left and multiplication is at right. So we have to handle division first. 50 divided by 5, it will be equal to 10. And here is also 10. So 10 times 10, it will be quite easy for you. It will be 100. And our correct answer will be 100, not 1. Because when we get one answer, there is a mistake. That mistake is not obeying order of operation. So when we obey order of operation like PEMDAS or bodmas or dmas, we will get correct answer. So 100 will be our correct answer. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel.